Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the new Benks wireless charging puck with RGB lighting. This works great with their 20-watt wireless power delivery USB-C wall charger. And some information here on the back. This works great with input of 5 volts, 2 amps, or 9 volts, 2.22 amps. So you can get this on Amazon right now. And then basically you have the lighting here, the RGB as you can see, and there is a switch right here. You can switch the fan off. It also does cooling. So the fan is turned off there, and then you can turn it to this mode where everything's off, and the charging puck is on the bottom. So it does 5 watts, it does 7.5 watts, 10 watts, and up to 15 watts of wireless charging. And it will also cool the device as well, and cool the wireless charging too. This is from Benks. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.